Pretreatment to control iron and manganese in reverse osmosis and nanofiltration. Actually, if reduced water which contains iron and manganese ions comes in contact with oxygen, intensively colored flux of manganese oxide and iron hydroxide will be formed. Some problems that caused by dissolved iron and manganese, such as problems during drinking water distribution due to blockage of pipes, colored and particle-containing water is not accepted by consumers. Water is not suitable for many industrial and other commercial purposes. Pretreatments for iron and manganese removal. To remove iron and manganese, at first it has to be oxidized with air, chlorine, or other oxidants. Then, with granular media filtration, microfiltration, or ultrafiltration, it can be filtered. The oxidation equilibrium has presented for iron and manganese. Depends on the application and concentration. Methods such as cation ion exchange softeners, acid addition, and inhibitors can be applied. In this reclamation plan that recommended for industrial reuse, you can see de-ironing and demanganization in the chain. First, oxidation is accomplished in the flotation process. Then, using filtration process, oxidized iron and manganese are removed. In parallel, coagulants added to the flotation process to attach the suspended particles and form plugs, and in sedimentation tank will be